Hey, this is Graham. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're not really doing anything super special. We're just down here at my apartment complex's car wash to wash the car. It hasn't been a busy week, but it snowed this week, so I hadn't really been able to get out and do anything, unfortunately. So we're just gonna kind of do like a little vlog, just a short one, just to kind of catch up. I'm gonna wash the car, and I've got something else I want to do to it that's very minor, but just something to do. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and wash the car. So the GoPro falls off. I go to pick it up, I set the hose down, and the hose sprays directly in my face. Jesus. Fail. Alright guys, so the car's clean. As you can see, she looks quite gorgeous. I didn't spend a whole lot of time drying her off because the whole point of this wash was really just to get the car clean, get the salt off of her, which I did. So I didn't worry too much about drying her off, like I said. But now it's for that little bit of maintenance that I was talking about at the beginning. And that is the license plate lights. I put some LEDs in a while back, and they were going out now, so I am going to replace those with some new ones that I got from Stita. So hopefully these should be better than the ones that are on there currently. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Actually, I'm gonna take it back to where we park, and then I'll do that so that it'll be a little drier, and so that I don't have to lay down in a puddle. And also I'll switch over to my DSLR so that you guys don't have to keep watching me through this GoPro. So we're gonna go do that now. See you guys in a second. And if you guys don't know how to do this, just watch the next 2 minutes and you'll get it. It's really simple. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Right off the bat, you see that one is out, which is, you know, that's not ideal. But also this one, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it to do it. It flickers most of the time, and you obviously don't want your license plate, like, you don't want one of your, oh, there it goes. You don't want one of your bulbs to be out and the other one to be flickering. That's a good way to get pulled over. All right, so first things first, you want to take your license plate off. It'll just make this whole process a little bit easier. So now that you've done that, this cover right here, it covers up the lights. You gotta pop that off, and it makes it a lot easier to pop that off after you take off your license plate. So voila, there we go. So all you need is a screwdriver to get those out. Easy peasy. All right, so here's this. And as you can see, this LED has like exploded or something. It's all sorts of messed up. It's in a bad way. That is not what it's supposed to look like. That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what it's not supposed to look like. So we're gonna put the new ones in. So you see the housing here, and you see how it's got these little forks. Basically, the little prongs on the end of the LED bulb go into those. And now obviously make sure your bulb's facing the right way around. This bulb is one-sided, so it only has the LED lights on one side of it. Then basically that's how you'll have it in there, so that you can see the bulbs through the bottom. And then you just put that back in, and you do it twice. All right, and then pop the cover back on. Reposition your license plate. And that's that. Ooh, nice and bright. Much better than before. Much better than before. Well, I hope that you guys found this informative and that some of you even found it helpful. If you didn't know how to do that before, now you do. It's pretty simple, and obviously with the LED lights, it just kind of cleans up the back end, makes it look a little sharper. So yeah, so it's a really easy swap. It takes like 5 minutes, and you can just do it in your parking lot like I just did. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, and as always, take it easy.